Morning, y'all. Today's a big day. We are going to make a outdoor tub. So we're about to locate the spot and then do all of that work. Hi, I'm Molly. For years, I've been on a journey of finding my place in this world, living in different countries, traveling around Australia in a van, exploring Baja in my truck, and settling, for now, on my off-grid property in New Mexico, living in a yurt. I've brought myself to many corners of the world and have no plans of stopping anytime soon. I'm embracing this chapter, here off-grid, but the future is unknown, and I'm excited where life may take me next. Hit that subscribe button and join me every week as I share my journey. Trying to locate the spot for the outdoor tub, and we got lots of beautiful options, so who knows. But I gotta get these brothers over here to figure it out. Cal, you wanna come here and we can locate it? He's coming right now. This spot's not bad. Is this what you were thinking?
Yeah. Because then it can go, the smoke can go up and out in this canopy.
Or we could go down here so it's a bit more open.
That'd be pretty cool too.
And kind of out of the way. We could have a small trail that comes down and then just like a big.
You know what would have been good?
The main fire is under the tub.
You know what would have been good?
What?
To catch like the in evening sun and see where the evening sun hits. Definitely not right here.
It actually could be right here. It goes down
Yeah.
right there between those trees.
A swing into it.
You hook the tub onto a rope and the tub swings.
Stop using it. Stop. Snuff it and the water's hot.
Yeah.
And then you're looking up at the stars.
This is actually a really nice view right here. Look at that. You sit right here and you're looking at that view.
This journey can go.
Have you even like walked over here though?
All right, so down there, we have come to a conclusion.
Oh! Yeah,
But-
maybe that's where like people sit, they get grounded.
You see it? Oh, it is. I see it.
You see it?
It's a block of coconut.
But I don't know. It might be fine.
I'm okay if you want to cut it because it is pretty small. So it would maybe open it up a bit more and we could like at least lean our head back if this is gone.
Yeah.
You know, you could at least put your head back here instead of being like this in it.
It's gonna be small.
I know. It's okay. It'll be fun.
It'll heat up faster.
Yeah, I'm down for these actually. Now that I'm thinking about it more, let's cut these.
Okay. slope up.
and back, because we need it on the back too.
That's what I was saying last night.
So we'll
Also, this is
slope up.
outside.
Yeah.
Farther outside.
We'll slope all 3 rounds, right, up to here. What?
I ordered the salad. Oh well. Oh, there's bacon on it too. Oh. Out, dry
Yeah,
off. and
that's the whole
dress.
goal.
And
It'll
even
be
like
here.
a milled bench just to set shoes on or sit on.
That's a good
It's a
idea.
little milled bench. There's slabs all over.
We'll do a wood deck here and here.
Okay. On the sides,
Yeah.
it should just be one side.
Well, Kelly wants like a foot in between here.
Yeah. For fire.
So we need the sides. That way you're not stepping over a foot to get in. You can come right up to the edge here to get in.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that makes sense.
It's those things, you know. There it goes. Myself.
There it goes.
She closed her eyes and quickly prophesied. Your wooden palisades won't save us all when the laurel wreath is burned by Apollo. Our tremendous ship will be consumed. It's not forever, but I hope that it will do. I wanna be with you till the sun destroys the earth, till the planets all start spinning in reverse. Only comfort in a shattered universe is to be with you when the sun destroys the earth.
Nice thoughts. Well, before you, this is a perfect fit here, like lengthwise. So, you.
You get the blower and the press.
Make water. Nice. It needs a chimney. Okay, y'all, we finally completed the outdoor tub. There's major alterations that need to happen. And I'll explain to you guys, but overall, this is it. It's pretty sweet. Check out our outdoor tub. I'm so happy. Has the best view. And we have a little deck. It's honestly so perfect. So there's a couple things that we need to tweak, which we'll probably do in the next couple days, but I wanted to show you before the sun goes down what all we did. So we first started with the 2 boards running through and screwed it to the big drum. We're already heating it up right now, which is great. From there, we added the boards here. The biggest thing that we're gonna have to change is this board is gonna have to come out, and we're gonna have to make some type of chimney coming out of it because of the smoke is seeping through the dirt and the rocks that we made a wall here. It's seeping through it. So we're either going to make a concrete wall and have a chimney, or I don't even know. The boys have some ideas, so that's what we're gonna do. But it works for now. And yeah, we have a little bench over here, a little stump for whatever. I'm gonna finish some rock paths and whatnot. We have our fire pit down here. You start the fire like normal, and you pour water in here. And it heats it up, and it's honestly already hot. It's insane. So yeah, this is our outdoor tub, and I'm just so excited to take a bath in this. We've got some things to kind of tinker around with, but overall it's going to be so amazing to have and just enjoy, relax, look up at the stars. I'm so excited. So thank you for watching our whole entire build. And if you guys have any ideas of how we can deal with the chimney situation here, we had to unscrew this. Ugh. Hold on. So if you guys have any ideas of how we can do a chimney here, bath time in boiling water, honestly, it's already boiling. So yeah, this is it. Yay. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I really appreciate you guys. I always do. And yeah, you guys have an amazing day, amazing night, and I'll see you guys next week. See ya.